Welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro. Today we're diving deep into the Sony Xperia 11 Pro, a phone that truly impresses with its sleek design, vibrant display, and top-notch performance. The Xperia 11 Pro comes with a powerful processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming. Its camera setup is exceptional, capturing crisp and vivid photos in every lighting condition. The battery life is impressive, lasting all day with heavy usage. The display is bright and sharp, making videos and games look stunning. We also explore the hidden features, software enhancements, and tips to maximize your experience. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or daily user, the Xperia 11 Pro caters to all your needs. Stay with us till the end as we provide our complete verdict, performance score, and reasons why this phone is a strong contender in 2025.